Today we'll be tackling a very serious environmental issue that affects us all: plastic pollution. Did you know that plastic waste kills over 1 million marine life forms every year? This is just one of the many reasons why it's crucial now more than ever for us to start taking proactive actions towards reducing our plastic consumption. One of the most promising solutions to this growing environmental problem is using biodegradable nylon, which, unlike the conventional nylon, easily breaks down into carbon dioxide, water, and biomass by living things such as microorganisms. It is usually made from renewable raw materials, microorganisms, or the combination of these materials. By using biodegradable nylon, we can reduce our dependence on fossil fuels used to produce petroleum-based nylon and lessen the environmental damages caused by fossil fuel extraction and processing. Today I'll be showing you how to make biodegradable nylon from cassava starch. Now let's get started with the materials needed for this experiment. 1 gram of cassava starch, 3 grams of gelatin, 2 ml of glycerin, 100 ml of distilled water, and food coloring. Note that all materials used for this experiment are food grade, which makes the biodegradable nylon we will be making edible and perfect for food processing. Carefully measure 100 ml of distilled water and transfer it to a clean beaker. And turn on the hot plate. Transfer 2 ml of glycerin to the water and allow to heat. Transfer the 1 gram of cassava starch into the mixture. Stir until it fully dissolves. So for today, I'll be using green food coloring because I love green. Just 1 drop. No, this food coloring is optional. Stir to get an homogeneous mixture. Then allow to heat. I noticed some vapors coming out, so I can now add the gelatin. I'll stir till everything is dissolved. So as you can see, it has fully dissolved. We'll leave our nylon on the hot plate for about 2 minutes and then bring it down. The mixture is cool. Finally, we'll transfer the mixture to a plastic container to dry. And here is our final result. A clean biodegradable nylon made from cassava starch that can be used just like regular nylon but will not cause any plastic pollution to our planet. I encourage you to start taking proactive actions towards reducing plastic waste on the planet, whether it's by using reusable water bottles or bags or opting for biodegradable products just like the one we just made. Every bit counts. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up, and if you have any question, drop it on the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.